Aloha! Welcome to the Bead Gallery. We are located in the heart of Kaka'ako in this Flexa building. There's Jansen coming out, opening the door. We want to give you an idea of what your private shopping appointment will be like when you get here. Jansen's going to show us where to park. The stalls are labeled bead, and it will be right in front of the Honolulu General Store. So come on in and we'll show you what your experience will be like when you get here. Thank you, Jansen. And right up here, this door, we have our mini TVG. As you enter the door, Jansen will be here to greet you. Hi, Jansen. And this is the mini TVG space. So we have our findings here, our seed beads, our by the piece drawers, in all colors of the rainbow. We also have our gem wall back here. It's a big wall here. And the rest of the space is our inventory. Thank you, and we hope to see you in the store soon. Bye-bye.